Welcome to video number 229 of Learn and Speak Tamil like a native. In this video, you can learn a few phrases and they're going to be a very enjoyable learning. And especially if you have been following this channel for some time, you're going to guess what each of the English phrases that I give you, you're going to translate that in your mind. But if you're stumped to this channel recently, just now, you are going to find these phrases very simple to learn. Let us go now. She came just now. She came. I'll give you a few seconds to guess. Okay. She came just now. அவள் இப்பதான் வந்தா. Vanda. That is the past tense. You can also say adu. We also use adu and you have already learned that in a previous lesson. Adu இப்பதான் வந்தது or வந்துச்சு. அது இப்பதான் வந்தது or வந்துச்சு. அவ இப்பதான் வந்தா or அது இப்பதான் வந்தது. அது இப்பதான் வந்துச்சு. Both are fine. She has gone to the shop. Just look at the lady. She has gone for shopping. You can guess. You can translate that in your mind. Okay, here we go. She has gone to the shop. அவ கடைக்கு போயிருக்கா. அவ கடைக்கு போயிருக்கா. போய் and இருக்கா. Or அது கடைக்கு போயிருக்கு. You can also say அது கடைக்கு போயிருக்குது. This is she's gone to the shop. When we say oh she has gone somewhere. அவ கடைக்கு போயிருக்கா. We'll see the next one. She had come last year for vacation. So it is a little while ago. So we would use had come in English. She had come last year for vacation. போன வருஷம் லீவுக்கு வந்திருந்தா. வந்து இருந்தா. போன வருஷம் லீவுக்கு வந்திருந்தா. Or you can also say அது போன வருஷம் லீவுக்கு வந்திருந்தது. போன வருஷம் லீவுக்கு வந்திருந்தது. We'll see the next one. She drinks green tea. That's we are talking about. Oh, there she's drinking green tea. அவ green tea குடிக்கிறா. அவ green tea குடிக்கிறா. Or அது green tea குடிக்குது. அது green tea குடிக்குது. She is drinking green tea. We are talking about what she's doing, specifically about what she's doing now, the action. She is drinking green tea. அவ கிரீன் டீ குடிச்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்கா. குடிச்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்கா. And when I say that fast, it might become குடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கா. குடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கா. So குடிச்சி, that k might become reduced. குடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கா. அது green tea குடிச்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. And when I say that fast, it might become குடிச்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. குடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கு. Or குடிச்சிட்டு இருக்குது. I think when you say that fast, try it yourself. You'll try automatically to reduce some of the sounds. It becomes natural. It's very natural of us to reduce some of the long sounds. Reduce some of the sounds. It becomes natural. It's very natural of us to reduce some of the long sounds. She would drink green tea. We are talking about what she generally drinks. She's not a very coffee person. She is a green tea drinking person. She would always drink green tea. This is a general habitual. Try translating it in your mind. அவ எப்பயும் green tea குடிப்பா. அவ எப்பயும் green tea குடிப்பா. Or அது எப்பயும் green tea குடிக்கும். அவ எப்பயும் green tea குடிப்பா. Or அது எப்பயும் green tea குடிக்கும். So we are moving on to the future. You're talking about that person, the girl there. She'll come tomorrow. That's very easy for you. அவ நாளைக்கு வருவா. அவ நாளைக்கு வருவா. Or அது நாளைக்கு வரும். அது நாளைக்கு வரும். We are moving on to the next one. She's going to come tomorrow. She's going to come tomorrow. Hope you have all guessed it right. அவ நாளைக்கு வர போறா. அவ நாளைக்கு வர போறா. அது நாளைக்கு வர போகுது. அது நாளைக்கு வர போகுது. அவ நாளைக்கு வர போறா. Or அது நாளைக்கு வர போகுது. Learner's Corner. How do you practice all these? The simple way is to just know these 7, 8 or a little extra I will teach you in the following lessons, and then find the end. That is, if it is I, it will be padipen. If it is you, it will be padikon or padipe. Padipe, padipe, he, padipa. That you can learn in the lesson here. The ending, I'll give you the link here. That is all now. I hope it has been some refreshing lesson for you, and we will meet again with another lesson. And don't forget to